With our busy lives, we are often unable to answer the door when deliveries arrive. The home control doorbell cam from CSS can now bring your front door to the palm of your hands, whilst also keeping you and your family secure. Hello? Even when you're not
Hi mate,
at home.
I've got a parcel for you.
Oh yeah, can you leave it around the back, please?
Yeah, no problem.
Great, thank you. Come on. Monitor, view and speak to visitors at any time, anywhere, using the Home Control 2.0 app on your smart device.
Hiya, it's only me.
Yeah, we're about 5 minutes away.
Showing you a 130-degree field of view, the built-in camera captures high-definition live video and photos automatically, switching from day to night mode, making sure you have full visibility even on the darkest of nights. With security in mind, the Home Control Doorbell Cam can be fitted as a standalone solution or can be integrated with other devices, creating a smart home security solution.
Can I help you?
The built-in movement sensor can also be adjusted to suit the sensitivity level, including a human filtering function, reducing false alarms. Easy to install with no wires. With a long-lasting battery, the units can simply be removed and charged for another 3 months on standby. With an optional 32GB SD card inserted, up to 50 hours or 6 months of typical usage of video and photos can be locally stored on the unit, as well as notifications directly to Home Control 2.0. Doorbell chimes can be added to the property, notifying you whenever you are in the home. Easy, secure and convenient. The Home Control Doorbell Cam from CSS.